In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record overseas transaction payments in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can correctly create an invoice for an international customer and make sure everything is captured accurately in your accounts. First, from your Zoho Books dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the main navigation menu. Here, click on the sales section. This is where Zoho keeps everything related to your income, including invoices, customers, and payments. Opening sales helps you focus specifically on the revenue side of your business. Once you're inside the sales area, the next thing you want to do is click on customers. This will open a list of all the customers you've created in Zoho Books. If you have a lot of customers, you can use the search bar or filters at the top to quickly find the overseas customer you're working with. Make sure you're selecting the correct contact, especially if you have multiple customers with similar names. Next, from the list, select the customer who will be paying you from overseas. Clicking on the customer's name will open their detailed profile. Here you can see their contact information, previous transactions, outstanding invoices, and any notes you may have added. It's a good idea to quickly review this page to confirm you're working with the right customer and in the right currency, if you've set a default currency for them. Now, with the customer profile open, look for the New Transaction button, usually located near the top or upper right section of the page. Click on New Transaction to see the different types of documents you can create for this customer, such as invoices, estimates, or retainers. For an overseas payment, you typically start by creating an invoice. From the drop-down that appears, select the option for creating a new invoice. This tells Zoho Books that you want to bill this specific customer and record the sale that will be paid from abroad. On the new invoice screen, fill in all the necessary details. Choose the correct overseas currency if your organization is set up for multi-currency, and make sure the exchange rate is accurate for the transaction date. Enter the invoice date, due date, and payment terms. Add your line items including product or service descriptions, quantities, rates, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Double check that everything looks correct, especially the totals and currency. Once you're happy with all the details, click on Save and Send. This will save the invoice in Zoho Books and send it to your overseas customer by email, allowing them to pay using the methods you've enabled. After they pay, you'll be able